Alright guys, I'm live. We have Ultimate all night. So we're going to have 2 boxes of 14-15 Ultimate. And we're going to have 6 boxes of Ultimate Collection 13-14. So we're going to start with 14-15 double box. So we start with Ultimate 14-15. And then we're going to go with Ultimate 13-14 with the 6 box. So here we go. Good luck to everyone in the breaks. Thank you very much for pressing your brakes. These are like that. So first pack. All right. Here we go. Good luck to everyone in the break. All right. We have a base card, number 299 of Jason Pominville for the Minnesota Wild. We have a rookie for the Toronto Maple Leafs, 299, Brendan Kozum. We have Epsidum's Creek, first 2.9 for the Chicago Blackhawks of Teuvo Teravainen. I'll keep that one for the end because it's pretty sick. Ultimate Gear for the Boston Bruins, Milan Lucic. We have a base card number 150 retro of Matt Duchene. This one is pretty sick. Ultimate Debut Treads, number 100 for the Ottawa Senators. 4-color patch. Dope. Curtis Lazar. That is really cool. 1, 2, 3, 4 colors. Well, 4. Yeah. Yeah. Really nice patch. Alright, and the second pack. Alright. We have a Milan Lucic base card number 299. We have a Stuart Percy, first out of 299 for the Toronto Maple Leafs. Give that one for the game. We have an Ultimate Debut Treads of Stuart Percy. We have Ultimate Collection number 99, Patrice Bergeron. We have Ultimate Collection base card number 150 of Sid the Kid. And we have an Optimum Script, 2014 first overall pick for the Florida Panthers, Aaron Ekblad. So there you go, guys. I'll be right back in about 10 minutes with the 6 box, 13-14.